Hi friends, welcome to Sarkandron LDC classes. In this class, we are going to see some objective questions for our coming railway CCTC exams. Okay, let us start the class. Question number 1: Food grains and pulses should be invariably be protected with dash bags of dunnage material for each 8-wheeled wagon. Option A 8, option B 4, option C 12, and option D 16. Your answer will be option C 12. Question number 2: A special packing condition S3 is for option A metal scrap, option B food grains and pulses, option C salt for human use, option D none. Your answer will be option C. Question number 3: Seal cards, bracket labels, paste on labels are dash labels. Option A descriptive, option B directive, option C non-descriptive, option D non-directive. Your answer will be option B directives. Question number 4: What percent payment should be done in case of consignment of different size? Option A 10, option B 50, option C 120, and option D 100. Your answer will be option D 100. Question number 5: The RR shall be prepared based on the weight main details furnished by weight bridge within. Option A 6, option B 12, option C 24, and option D 36. Your answer will be option C 24 hours. Question number 6. Question number 6. If overloading is detected at the originating station and the train is detrained on account of load adjustment, a penalty of rupees watt per overload wagon is levied. Option A 2000, option B 3000, option C 5000, and option D 10,000. Your answer will be option C 5000. Question number 7. Dash is one of the low rated classification. Option A 100, option B 150, option C LR2, option D 200. Your answer will be option C LR2. Question number 8. There are dash groups denoted in goods traffic part 1 volume 2. Option A 20, option B 25, option C 30, and option D 16. Your answer will be option B 25. Question number 9. A commodity which has the TL classification as 120, when offered in WL, it will be charged under class dash. Option A 130, option B 140, option C 160, and option D 150. Your answer will be option D 150. Question number 10. If classification is not given in the tariff for any commodity, such commodity if loaded in covered wagons will be charged at class. Option A 130, option B 150, option C 140, and option D 200. Friends, your answer will be option B 150. Question number 11. In all cases where more than one invoice or RR is issued for a wagon at the request of the consignor, an additional amount of rupees watt is collected by issuing money receipt for each additional RR. Option A 100, option B 200, option C 300, and option D 500. Your answer will be option C 300. Question number 12. If classification is not given in the tariff for any commodity, such commodity if loaded in open wagons will be charged at dash class. Option A 150, option B 160, option C 170, and option D 200. Your answer will be option B 160. Question number 13. Busy season surcharge for all commodities except automobiles and container tariff is option A 10, option B 15, option C 20, and option D 30. Your answer will be option B 15. Question number 14. Development charge of dash percent is levied on the NTR in goods traffic. Option A 20, option B 10, option C 15, and option D 5. Your answer will be option D 5. Railway receipt is governed by section dash of Railways Act 1989. Option A 60, option B 64, option C 65 and option D 71. Your answer will be option C 65. Question number 16. Loading tolerance in case of BCCW wagon is option A 1 ton, option B 0.5 ton, option C nil and option D 2 ton. Your answer will be option C nil. Question number 17. Any single package weighing more than dash ton is called a crane consignment. Option A 1, option B 0.5 ton, option C 2 and option D 4. Your answer will be option A 1. Question number 18. Freight charges in case of RMC is paid through. Question number A. Option A check, option B cash, option C credit note, option D card. Your answer will be option C credit note. Question number 19. Dangerous goods are classified into dash classes. Option A 5, option B 11, option C 10 and option D 8. Your answer will be option D 8. Question number 20. Railway Administration give open delivery under section dash of Railways Act 1989. Option A 81, option B 82, option C 65 and option D 84. Your answer will be option A 81. Friends, here we will see some objective questions of goods of commercial, which is very important for our coming railway CCTC exams. Okay, please subscribe, like and share it. Thank you.